Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to discuss progressive overload. Progressive overload is defined by taxing your skeletal muscular system and nervous system in a way that induces a stress response. So stress response could be in terms of your lift, okay? The weight of your lift, not your weight, but weight of your lift, or gaining reps, or doing high frequency training. Those are three types. First of all, we talked about how the 3x3x3 system. Well, what happens if you have hit 3 reps on the third set? So that's the question we're trying to answer. You gain your weight that you lift by 5 pounds. So let me give you an example. You're going to start for strength training. For strength training, let's say I am doing 135 bench presses. I did first set 1, 2, 3. Second set 1, 2, 3. Third set 1, 2, and 3. In the next gym session, which might be a week from that session or 2 days from that session, whenever that session is, we're going to put 140 on the bar. That is progressive overload. Also, let me just tell you how much weight you should be lifting when you're doing 3x3x3 system. You should be lifting above your 80% 1 rep max. I'm going to share a website on this video where you can go on and then enter your stats, and you will do so. That what that means is you will do anywhere from 1 to 3 reps above that 85%. That's what it means. You could maybe do 4, who knows, but it's highly varied, but it gives you a general idea on where you will fall at, okay? And then every time you increase your weight by 5, if you hit that third rep at the third set, don't increase your weight after the first set. Third set, 3 reps, and then increase 5 pounds. I think for my squats are pretty high. I could get away. So it's also individual variation. You have to assess your body. You have to assess your strengths along with that. So you have to see which exercises you're naturally good at. And if you're good at squats, add 10 pounds after every third set if you hit 3 reps. But if, let's say, my bench press is really weak, I'm not going to add 10 pounds. I'll die. So I'm just going to add 5 pounds next gym session. That's the strength training principle regarding progressive overload. With weight training, we're going to work below our 85% 1 rep max, because we're doing high reps. We can't just pump out like 10 reps at 90% 1 rep max. It's not gonna happen. Like that's a different number. That's a different ratio we're talking about. So I usually do 8 to 12 reps for hypertrophy. I usually try to shoot around 10 if I'm really struggling. So I'm doing like shoulder presses with 45 dumbbells. If I hit that 12th rep on a third set, I will increase my weight by 5. I pick up a 50-pound dumbbell. And so it's kind of similar, but you increase your weight after the end range of that hypertrophy rep range. And this could also go with assessing your strengths. If you are doing squats for hypertrophy, you might be adding 10 pounds. If you're really if your body's really good at squatting, you can add 10 pounds. Even deadlifts you can add 10 pounds because it's a multi-joint movement and it requires a lot of muscles to push that weight up. And you might find yourself add 10 more weight than 5. You have to just try it out in the gym. Just get up and go to the gym and figure your shit out, basically. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was giving you a little distinction between how often I should be increasing my weight when you're doing hypertrophy and strength training. Remember that most people can solve their own problems, and so can you.